How to change fonts in Windows 10. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you change font style in your own system like this. You can change any font you want. First, we will change the fonts from default to bolds, and then I will guide you. How can you reverse these to default if you changed your mind? This will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. Just remember the channel name Haskery and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, go to this search bar and type your control panel and press enter. Then tap here on category and change it to large icons. Here you need to find fonts. Once found, tap on it. You can see there are multiple fonts. Simply double click on any font and choose which you want to add in your system. For example, I want to add this font, so I will minimize this tab, then we'll create a new notepad, then we'll paste this code. In the description, I will give you the link of this code as well. Now here, I will type the exact font name with correct capitalization. Then we'll tap on File, press Save As. Change this to all files. Type whatever you want to name this file. But most important, at the end you will type .reg, like am typing. After this, select the location you want to save this file and press Save. Now open your computer and go to the file location and double click on it. Press yes. Press OK. Now font style has been successfully changed in our system to show it we just need to restart our PC. Here you can see our computer fonts has been changed. From this method, you can change any font you want. To set this as default, again create a notepad and enter this code. Then again, save this file as we did before with our previous file, but this is that .reg is mandatory when saving these files. Once saved, go to the location and double tap on it. Then press yes, press OK. As you can see now, we didn't even restarted our system, but changes has been saved. But it will be better if you will restart it. Choose any font from here. No need to worry. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.